In this project, I implemented and validated Jenkins remoting using a remote Docker-based agent. The goal of this task was to configure Jenkins in such a way that build jobs do not only run on the main Jenkins server, but can also execute remotely on a separate agent node. This demonstrates distributed build architecture, remote execution, and Jenkins agent communication using Docker containers. There are two nodes available: the built-in node, which is the main Jenkins controller running on Mac OS, and the remote Docker agent, which is a Linux-based remote agent. The remote agent is connected successfully and shows in sync status, meaning Jenkins communication is working correctly. This setup allows Jenkins to distribute workloads across different machines or containers, improving scalability and performance. Using the docker ps command, we can verify that the Ubuntu container named Agent1 is active. The container exposes port 2222 for SSH communication, which Jenkins uses to connect with the remote agent securely. This container acts as a dedicated Jenkins worker node where build jobs can be executed independently from the main Jenkins server. This build was executed remotely on the remote Docker agent node. The console output confirms that Jenkins successfully connected to the remote Linux agent and executed shell commands inside the container. The job performed several validation steps. It displayed the hostname of the remote machine. It checked system information using the uname-a command. It verified uptime and system load details. All commands executed successfully, and the build finished with a success status. This project demonstrates several important Devops concepts: Jenkins distributed architecture, remote build execution, Docker containerization, SSH-based, Jenkins agent communication, Linux system validation commands. By using Docker containers as Jenkins agents, the infrastructure becomes lightweight, portable, and easy to scale. In conclusion, this project successfully validates Jenkins remoting using a Docker-based remote agent. The Jenkins controller was able to connect with the Linux container, execute jobs remotely, and return successful build results. This setup is commonly used in real-world CI/CD pipelines, where multiple agents handle different workloads simultaneously,